All right, we're gonna get started with acronyms. Not my favorite assignment, but I think that we can get something out of it. So let's just run through here because it's kind of like it's pretty involved here. What do we need to do? We need to do a bunch of different things. We need to strip out all the characters. Basically, when you take this thing, we need to split it up. We need to get rid of any punctuation in here, which I think is going to include. I think you probably want to get rid of these guys too. So what I'm going to do this in just a bunch of different stages. So let's start with this. Let's start by just putting this in here. We're going to have that. I mean, the very first thing, I'm going to just do this in stages. I'm going to say L is equal to S dot split. Let's just try and do that to begin with. And then I really like to see, like, what are the contents of, and let's return L. I don't even really need to, I'm just going to, like, print L. It's like L is just going to be, like, a temporary thing that I work on. All right, so now we have all of this stuff, right? We've split everything up into all of these different little categories here. And now I want to go through and I want to strip out all of the punctuation. I think I want to get rid of these brackets too. So I'm going to call this method, I'm going to say things to strip, because I know that I can use inside of here in the strip method, I can use this. It's going to get rid of the leading and trailing white space. So if there's any space at the front or the back of each string that we find, I'll remove that. And then it'll also should reduce this here too. Should get rid of this too. Let's see, we can actually test that out. I don't see a lot of spaces in here, but I'm going to say this is going to be a string, and it's going to be, I don't know, what kind of punctuation can we be looking at? For sure, this is going to be in there. There's probably commas, although I feel like, yeah, there's definitely a comma there. Let's try that. Let's just do that. And then maybe we can do like print. Can we make a little... Because I want to strip out for word in L for word. Can we do this? And then word strip things to strip. That seems like that makes sense. Let me get rid of this and let's see if we've got it looking a little bit better. Okay, good. So I'm going to go through here and see. I see there's also a period that I've missed. So let's put a period in here too. Let's try and run that again. Looking better. That's really pretty much it. Let's see here. Anything else that we need to do? I don't know what else was calling us to do. I think just pretty much that. And then we just need to find the ones that are like this. I'm going to say this. So I'm going to strip that. I can just make this L. L is equal to that. And then I could do, that's probably a better way of doing this, probably a simplified version of this, but I can say L is going to be equal to, for word in L, if word dot is upper. Word, let's try that, and then let's return L. We'll try and run this code. Yeah, it looks like we get out all the appropriate things here. Is that correct? Looks good to me. Looks good to the code. Let's see if this works, otherwise I might have to switch. Looks like that works. Okay, so not too bad in there.